a hole, let's cook some beef. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. Today we're going to make some pulled beef on the Char Broil Kamander. And what I've got here is a couple of really nice chuck steaks. And we're going to slather them down with some Sang stir-fry oil. You know all about that, Sangs. You love the garlic taste of Sang stir-fry oil. It's what I use for a binder with most meats. Some people use mustard. I use Sangs. And then we're going to rub it down with some Tango Spice Midnight Espresso, which is one of the best beef rubs you can get, bar none. Unless you want to use Tango Spice Porchetta rub, which wasn't really made for beef. But I like both of these rubs. Tango Spice, excellent rubs. If you'd like to try some Tango Spice, I'll leave a link in the description and you can go buy yourself some. So I'm going to rub my steaks down real good with that Tango Spice. First I'm going to hit it with that Sangs stir-fry oil. These are some beautiful steaks, but chuck steak's a tough cut of meat. And we're going to do this a low and slow, and then we're going to braise them in a way, I guess you could say. But first we got to get them rubbed down and get them on the grill, and I'll show you what that looks like. The grill's coming up to temperature now. As soon as the grill comes up to temp, we'll put them on the grill and start smoking them, so stay tuned. I got my chuck steaks on the Char Broil Kamander. It's starting to generate some smoke. I got the water pan installed to keep the inside of the grill moist. We're going to close that up and cook these until we get an internal temperature of about 150 to 160 degrees. And then I'll show you what we do next. At that point, we will start to braise them. I'll show you all about it. So just stay tuned, okay? We're getting ready to smoke up our steaks, so stay tuned. Those chuck steaks are looking excellent. So it's time for phase 2 of this operation. What we're going to do now is get them in this pan. Get the chuck steaks in the pan. We're going to take some stout. And I got a nice stout for this. This is Duck Rabbit Milk Stout. Good stuff. We're going to ladle that on top of there into this pan. Oh yeah. Got to save a taste for the pitmaster, don't you think? I think so. Just a little taste for the pitmaster. Good stuff. Duck Rabbit Stout. Now we're going to cover that with foil and let it rock and roll until we get an internal temperature on the meat of 200 to 205, 210 degrees. And at that time it'll be ready to pull apart. So that's phase 2 of our cook. Let me get the foil on it and get that cooking, and we'll come back and we'll drink a beer and take a taste of this mess. So stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, meine Damen und Herren, here's today's beer. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug, star of the show. Here's today's beer. This is Holy Roller IPA from Urban South Brewery, brewed in New Orleans. And there's a little thing here. It says, vines cover graffiti brick and warehouses, buzz with all kinds of work. We make the beer. Urban South, where cars drive on cobblestones. Brewed with mosaic and citra hops, a bold IPA for all of us caught in between bad intentions, best intentions, and bad behavior. That's me. I'm caught between best intentions and bad behavior. I can't help it. So let's pour this out and see what it's about. It's a pale ale, there's no doubt about that. Not very hazy, I have to say. It's pretty clear, so it must be filtered. Got a light lacy head. Almost over foam, not quite, not quite. I'm still good, I'm still doing good. Holy Roller IPA, brewed in New Orleans. Never heard of it. Let's find out. There's only one way to find out, right, Roll? We got to take a sniff. Smells great. Smells great. Smells like hops and barley. Let's quaff the froth off it, Roll. What do you think? Very good. Very, very good. I'm pleasantly surprised. What's the ABV on that? Ale. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't say. It tastes rather light to me. I could be wrong. But I don't know. It doesn't say. So yeah, that's it right there. Holy Roller IPA. Let's get my pulled beef out here and get a taste of that. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get a sample of some of this beef. I got some nice barbecue sauce, some Sticky Fingers Carolina Sweet. Gonna put a little bit of that on the bottom of the bun. There you go. Grab some of this shredded beef, hot off the fire. Yeah, baby. Look at that. How's that look? Oh boy. Nothing like shredded beef, boy. Let me tell you what. Let me get that piece right there. A little bit more of that barbecue sauce. And I would also like like a slice of onion on there. How's that? How's that look? Not too shabby, huh? Let me close that up. It's not too bad. Shredded beef. Let's get a bite of that. Oh man. Mmm. That's awesome. That's excellent. Anyway, that's my video. You know what I always say. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up and see Kirby. Old Kirby's Fishing Grill. Man, I can't stop eating that. Oh. I'm sorry, I've been waiting all day to eat this. Anyway, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up and see Kirby's Fishing Grill. He's cooking up some amazing stuff. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. Ah, good beer. Thanks for watching. Bye.